said all my sad goodbyes, and I have turned to leave. Well, I know everybody says I had it all and lost my head. They never shed these jewel chains, but I will. 'Cause I've come to hate this gilded cage. I long to face the wind and rain. Some wouldn't fly away, they'd never fly away. But I will, I will, I will, I will. My daddy was a broken man, 'cause he never could break free. But he tried, Lord, he slaved till his dying day, just trying to make a better place for me. And my mama doesn't understand. She cries and pleads and makes demands, says no one else would change things, but I will. 'Cause I wasn't born for shame and guilt to die afraid and unfulfilled, and some may not escape, some may not escape. But I will, I will, I will, I will. And when I tell it to my friends, it never will make sense to them, 'cause they'd never take these chances. But I will, 'cause I just can't deny the dreams that live and breathe inside of me. Some wouldn't have the faith to stand up to their faith. Oh, but I will, oh, I will, I will, I will, I will, I will, I will. You know I will, oh yes I will. In Alice's world, I wonder if I'd learn what makes her strong, what makes her safe, what makes her suddenly afraid. I'd understand this little girl, but I'll never live in Alice's world. I could see through Alice's eyes, I wonder what I'd see. Are her skies blue? Is her grass green? Does she see things I've never seen? What's in her mind she keeps inside, and I'll never see through Alice's eyes. Love through Alice's heart, I wonder who I'd trust. Silently she smiles at me, but answers she will not reveal. She never tells why it's so hard to win a place in Alice's heart. How I wonder what you are. Freedom came Friday when we would ride on my daddy's motorbike, miles through the night, hoping just to see the sight of the moon in Malahide. Ooh, ooh, right beneath the Malahide moon. Together we'd wind to the top of the hill, just to try to touch the sky. Heaven could never be more beautiful than this, and never have stars burn this bright. Hearts beating faster the higher we climb. Tears in my eyes from the thrill of the ride, and the sight of the moon